guess where I'm at? That's right, I'm back home in Maui. Ha 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 ha. Well, you're still on the mainland. I'm enjoying the fun in the sun. Yes, this is the view I get right outside my Lanai door. Isn't that wonderful? Look at that. Nice greenery here. Look at those monkey pod trees. They go on forever. That's not really what I wanted to show you. Hey, come on out and visit. If you want to visit, give me a call. Might be able to put you up somehow. Anyways, I'm working on editing my next video for you, and while it's being saved, I thought, hey, no rest for the weary. I'm gonna take a look at a shower. My shower over here is spitting water. You hear it? It's supposed to be turned off right now. What's going on here? See, it's dripping all over the place. The handle is turned off. See there? But I think it might be hitting this back side, and that's what I've got to figure out. I'm not quite sure if it is or not. And I'm almost inclined to think it's not, but I'm going to pull this apart anyways and see. There might be something I can do about stopping this water. I guess I better get my tools out. To get this handle out, I've got to pull up on it because there's a set screw back in here with a little Allen wrench, and I have to pull this out in order to do it. So I've got to turn the water on and be careful not to get all wet and stuff. And I've got to fish up in there and pull this off. Then this cap comes out, and I'm thinking that maybe this round goodie here needs to be pulled out further. I think maybe the bottom of this could be hitting, and it's causing it not to shut off all the way. That's what I'm going to check out. Yeah, see, I have another shower over here. Look at this. I got all my stuff all still out. I haven't put it away yet. I had to go get my tools from another condo because I'm here for a few months, and I've got to put some more stuff away in here. I just stacked it up in here. I've got some storage. I've got some storage here, so I'll have to figure out that. And I've got a little bit other storage right here. Yeah, it's this armoire I use as this little storage area here. Put locks on it and stuff. Keep the guests out of here and all. Okay, but see this handle here. This handle here is not hitting at all. I can see. I don't want to get water on my camera. I can see that it's not hitting. That's why I think that I can suck this out further on the other one. And that's what I'm hoping. If not, it could be some sort of cartridge in here that has to be special ordered. And I'll probably have to break down and call up a plumber or something, find out what is the scoop on fixing it. You know, I'm not a professional plumbing service tech or anything, but I kind of have a feeling that I better stick it out and figure this out, because if I can figure it out, the next time my other shower has a problem, or next time somebody else on this property has a problem, maybe I can fix it for them and make some money. Yes, when you live on an island, you gotta figure things out on your own. Oh, look at that. My movie has been published. So I better upload that to my channel first before I do anything else. But see, that's why I want to figure out how to get this shower taken care of. Because if I can fix it, look at all these other condos that might need the same work. See? Yeah. There's lots of buildings on this property, lots of showers, and maybe I can make some more money. Look at this, I got all my stuff in here in my nail bag. This sucker is heavy, and I can use this to work out in the mornings, I guess. If I want, I can do this. I can hold it here. Yeah, this thing is probably 45 pounds of tools in here. Here's my Allen wrenches right here. I knew they were here somewhere. All right. I think I need a Phillips screwdriver too. Nope. Hey, what happened to it? I thought I just used it the other morning. Okay, guess I gotta find it. Guess it was in there after all. I think that's all I need, at least to pull that off and check it out. And then it remains to be seen if I can fix it. If not, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm glad I'm making this video because once I figure it out, I'll bring it to you.